Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm reviewing the 5 best propane tanks, handpicked through research and testing to meet different needs. Whether you're looking for budget-friendly options, top performance, or unique features, I've categorized them to match various preferences. Check the description for the latest prices and details. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's get started. Number 1. Flame King YSN5 LB 5-pound propane tank cylinder. Experience moments that matter with the Flame King YSN5 LB 5-pound propane tank cylinder. This portable companion elevates your outdoor gatherings, providing endless warmth for fire pits and delicious meals on portable grills. Imagine the laughter and joy shared around a cozy fire, enhanced by the reliability and efficiency of this propane tank. Whether you are camping, tailgating, or simply enjoying a day in your backyard, this tank ensures you are never left in the cold. Its lightweight design makes it easy to transport, promoting effortless adventures anywhere you go. Embrace the excitement of outdoor cooking and warmth with a product built for your lifestyle. The simplicity and functionality of the Flame King YSN5 LB will leave you with cherished memories and a go-to solution for your portable heating needs, making every moment special. Number 2. Mr. Heater Fuel Keg 1-pound empty refillable propane tank. Transform your outdoor experiences with the Mr. Heater Fuel Keg 1-pound empty refillable propane tank. This essential companion invites adventures, whether you are grilling delicious meals or enjoying a warm evening by the fire. Imagine the laughter and warmth shared with loved ones, all fueled by the dependable nature of this refillable tank. Its lightweight design makes it incredibly easy to carry, ensuring your outings are hassle-free. The convenience of refilling means you can focus on creating wonderful memories without worrying about running out of fuel. The Mr. Heater Fuel Keg fits perfectly into your active lifestyle, serving as a reliable partner for camping, tailgating, or backyard gatherings. This tank guarantees that every moment spent outside is filled with joy and warmth, making it a must-have for memorable times with family and friends. Number 3. Flame King Gas Hauler Pro Kit. Unleash your adventurous spirit with the Flame King Gas Hauler Pro Kit, the perfect companion for your outdoor escapades. This insulated protective carry case holds a 5-pound propane tank, ensuring warmth and comfort wherever you go. Picture cozy gatherings under the stars, fueled by the security and convenience of this innovative kit. The built-in gauge offers peace of mind, allowing you to know exactly how much fuel is left, so you can focus on making unforgettable memories with friends and family. The 5-foot adapter hose extends your reach, making setup a breeze no matter the location. With each moment spent using the Flame King Gas Hauler Pro Kit, you will feel the thrill of exploration and the joy of sharing special times outdoors. Invest in this essential tool for limitless outdoor experiences and comfort. Number 4. Propane Replacement Fuel Cylinders. Elevate your outdoor adventures with the Propane Replacement Fuel Cylinders 4-pack, meticulously designed for your camping needs. Each 16-ounce cylinder is factory pre-filled, ensuring you have reliable fuel ready for your next journey. Picture the serenity of a sunset over the campfire, surrounded by loved ones, as you enjoy warm meals and cozy conversations. These cylinders eliminate the stress of running out of fuel, allowing you to focus on creating unforgettable memories. Lightweight and portable, they are perfect for any outdoor enthusiast seeking freedom and flexibility. Feel the excitement of exploring nature, knowing you possess the essential fuel for your favorite cooking and heating appliances. With the Propane Replacement Fuel Cylinders 4-pack, every camping trip becomes an opportunity to bond and discover the beauty of the great outdoors. Invest in your adventures today. Number 5. Flame King Refillable Propane Cylinder Tank. Discover the perfect solution for your outdoor adventures with the Flame King Refillable Propane Cylinder Tank. This versatile and eco-friendly option offers the freedom to enjoy your camping experiences without concern for waste. Picture yourself surrounded by nature, sharing laughter and warmth around a cozy fire, fueled by a reliable and safe source of energy. The vibrant green design not only ensures compliance with safety standards but also makes refueling a breeze. Imagine the convenience of reusing the cylinder, allowing you to create cherished memories while minimizing your impact on the environment. Each refill brings with it a sense of security, empowering you to focus on the moments that matter most. Elevate your outdoor lifestyle with the Flame King refillable propane cylinder tank and ensure that every adventure is filled with joy and warmth. Make your investment today and step into a world of endless possibilities. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.